Next up, we have analyzing rational functions of the form y equals a over x minus h plus k. So you'll remember from before we had looked at an example of this previously, and I said we'll worry about it later. Well, here's the later that we're worrying about it. So to obtain the graph of a rational function of the form y equals a over x minus h plus k, from the graph of y equals 1 over x, we apply vertical stretch by a factor of a, followed by translations of h units horizontally and k units vertically. You'll notice that we kind of skip over the horizontal stretch, but if you remember back from radical functions, a horizontal stretch and a vertical stretch could kind of be the same thing. The same thing's going on right here. When we look at a rational function, we only look at it in terms of the vertical stretch. So we have that A represents the vertical stretch factor, H represents the horizontal translation, rather there's a vertical asymptote at x equals h, and K represents the vertical translation. There's what we call a horizontal asymptote at y equals k. When we're transforming these graphs, what we're going to most likely be doing is just looking at my vertical and my horizontal asymptote, moving those, and then after we've moved those, we could fill the rest of the graph in, as you guys will see in a bit.